Okay, I'm doing a video today on a little update on the Metro van. I just did a wheel alignment and I'm going to show you how it's done. If you fucking care. I'm a little drunk, so let's do this anyway. So the first thing you want to do is set up a string line. And you want that string line to be roughly the height of the center of the wheel. And you run one down one side, and I ran it across and up the other side. I don't know if you can fucking see that or not, but I don't care. So the trick is to know how to read a tape measure. So you want the same distance. That's like 9 3/4. 9 3/4. So that's parallel with the back tire. So basically you want to make the front tire parallel with that. Pretty straightforward. 9 3/4. And just a little over, so it's actually towed in a little bit. Takes a little fucking around, but you want it towed in about a 1/16 per side. Same with this side, that's what I did. Sorry if it doesn't make sense, I don't fucking care. It works. Trust me, wheel alignment, Metro.